Hi class, let's take a look at example 6. Now, example 6 has to do with the second objective. And the second objective in this section is not to actually look at a table, but use software to evaluate the integrals. And if it's a simple integral in terms of area, Desmos is a pretty good software to use. So you probably recognize that problem. We've actually done it by hand already a couple of times. And that link is actually going to take you here. So let me show you how to actually rewrite the problem. So your bottom function, it's going to be technically 0, and we're talking about a sine function. So this is going to be just the sine of x, and we want this to the second. So with that, Desmos is actually going to evaluate sine squared. Now the integral is saying from 0. So in this case, it's going to be from 0 to the values of pi. So let me see if it'll evaluate pi. And then this is the actual area that we're looking at. In order to find the actual total area under the curve, we have to find this calculation. So this is basically the part that we need. And this actual code has a minor problem. You have to adjust the following actual parts of the code. So for some reason, it's actually giving us an error. They probably forgot to save it or something on their end. Okay, so here's the thing. So for this problem, all I need you to do is, as you're taking the actual notes, you could just say that this one is going to be approximately the values of pi over 2. So we ended up with pi over 2. Did you say evaluate? But if it were to say area, then technically pi over 2. Whoops. So this is equal to pi over 2 units squared. So depending on the context of the problem, I'll just leave it at pi over 2 since they don't mention area. So just submit that portion there in your notes. And then I want a screenshot of this portion. So in your screenshot, I want you to show me basically that you were able to modify the code to the proper area, and then you modify the value so you're able to get the decimal approximation. And I'm talking about your screenshot. Try to include this and that as much as possible, because if you were to use your cell phone, you may not be able to see the whole thing. So you're submitting a second picture into the assignment, and that would actually show that integral or the evaluation of the integral.